Electric cars or internal combustion engine cars? Which is better? Electric cars were in their heyday back in 1900, but a sudden rise in petrol engine cars, accompanied by battery technology inefficiencies, killed electric cars by 1920. However, with recent improvements in battery technology and power electronics, electric cars have made a strong comeback. We will compare these totally different technologies scientifically and come to understand which is superior. An IC engine is the prime mover in petrol cars. The fuel supplied to the engine produces combustion and enough pressure and temperature energy to move the pistons. The linear motion of the piston is transferred to rotary motion using a slider crank mechanism. A transmission is used to transfer this rotation to the drive wheels. In an electric car, the power source is from a battery pack. An inverter converts the DC battery power into three-phase AC. The three-phase AC can turn an induction motor, which will thus turn the drive wheel. Now, let us directly compare these technologies. In an IC engine, the force and power production is never uniform. The reciprocating components cause substantial mechanical balancing issues. In addition, the engine is not self-started. Many accessories are needed to sort out these issues, which makes an IC engine quite heavy. Such issues are not there in an electric motor. The induction motors work with the help of a rotating magnetic field generated by the stator. You can easily control motor speed by adjusting the frequency of the AC power input. They produce uniform power and speed output and are self-started. For these reasons, an induction motor is much lighter than an IC engine and at the same time produces much greater power and torque output. It is interesting to note that both the IC engine and induction motor require cooling. Both the prime movers must reject the waste heat generated in order to keep the temperature within a certain limit. However, it is worth noting that the waste heat generated by an induction motor is much lower than that of an IC engine. The main advantage of an IC engine car is the ease with which it can be refueled. A petrol car can be refueled in 5 minutes or less. However, recharging electric cars can take at least 1 hour as of this present moment. Another major advantage of petrol cars over electric cars pertains